Today I have directed the Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture to authorize the National and Cereals Produce Board through the Strategic Food Reserve to immediately and in coordination with respective county governments open buying centres and stores to receive maize from farmers across the country. The Strategic Food Reserve has been authorized to purchase 2 million 90 kg bags of maize at a price of 2,500 shillings per bag. Following various government interventions and the good weather experienced in 2018, we have had a bumper harvest to the tune of 46 million bags. In addition, there is about 2.5 million bags carried over from the 2017 harvest. The government will therefore simultaneously release 1.7 million 90 kg bags of maize at Kenya shillings 1,600 and an additional 300,000 bags of animal feed at 1,400 shillings per bag. It is clear that currently there is sufficient maize in our market selling between Kenya shillings 1,700 and Kenya shillings 1,800 per 90 kg bag. With these interventions, therefore, I do not expect any changes in the existing price of unga. Further, I call upon the investigative agencies to expedite the verification process to ensure that genuine farmers are paid as soon as possible. Last year, during Madaraka Day, I did direct that the Ministry of Agriculture would finalize the audit and verify pending payments to cane farmers, and I am pleased to confirm that the process has been successfully completed, and I therefore direct the Ministry of Agriculture and the National Treasury to immediately start the process of paying the farmers. Finally, fellow Kenyans, let me reiterate that the government remains committed to supporting farmers to increase agricultural productivity, and in this context, I have directed the ministry to accelerate the implementation of interventions that have been agreed upon under the Big Four food security agenda.